Officer Kevin Bereta found his calling on a police motorcycle.
Deep down in my heart, I wish I was still at work riding the motorcycle.
On August 15th of last year, a career first, Bereta was assigned to the Vice President's motorcade, part of the security detail for her Seattle visit. Bereta lost control of his bike and fell some 60 feet off an overpass, a life-changing injury.
I can't play with my kids like I used to. I literally I can lay on the floor and I'll play cards with them, and that's about the extent of what I can do. I have to watch them play, and all I hear is "Daddy, play with me," and that just kills me.
This week, a new challenge. Bereta learned he'd been kicked off his City of Bellevue insurance. He's exceeded the 6 months allowed to recover and has not been cleared medically to return for light duty, which would keep him on the insurance.
We live in a constant state of stress. For us to have to wake up, and that is the new stress, is that we're not going to have health insurance for Kevin and for our 3 boys, seems just crazy to me.
The City of Bellevue says they're operating within the terms negotiated with our unions that are intended to cover typical circumstances, adding that the city has a duty to administer our policies consistently.
I understand if that's the policy, then the policy needs to be changed. Like, it's unfair, and this is not something that people in times of crisis this is not one of the things they should have to be battling.
The Beretas and their 3 children are now paying out of pocket for insurance, several $1,000s a month.
This has been very stressful for my family. It's been challenging for them too. They are stressed. And I can tell by the way they act.
The latest challenge for a family that vows to keep fighting and an officer that may one day get back on the bike. The Beretas have an attorney advocating on their behalf, though they have not filed a lawsuit. They're hopeful they can settle this out of court. In Bellevue, Sebastian Robertson, King 5 News.